Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you wish to creatively use your free time during lockdown, then this video is certainly for you. Today we will be making this cute little flower basket fridge magnets. And as requested by some of my viewers, I won't be using any fancy crafting tools so that each one of you can try it out. So let's get started. Let's take a look at the materials. This is a packaging cardboard, some ice cream sticks, acrylic colors brown and black, scissors, marker pens, some water for coloring, flat brush, pencil eraser, white lace, magnet, paper flowers, foil prints, tissue paper, liquid glue and hot glue gun. So let's start with the process. Taking this old Fevicol bottle, I am going to trace a circle on this cardboard. As you can see, I have already cut out a circle of this measurement and I have cut it into half. Next, we'll need a rectangular piece that measures 2 inches by 1.5 inch. So let's cut this out now. Next, along the 2-inch side, we will be sticking our semicircular pieces. We will also need some ice cream sticks that are a little taller than the cardboard piece. So using a pre-cut ice cream stick, I am making markings on a big ice cream stick. Let's cut these down. Here I have already cut some pieces. I am applying hot glue on the semicircular pieces and I am going to stick it along the 2-inch side. This one we will stick right at the bottom of the cardboard. The next piece we are going to stick a little below the top edge. As you can see, I have left some space from the top. Next, we will apply hot glue on this piece. And we will stick down our ice cream sticks. This will give it a basket-like look. Make sure that you stick your ice cream sticks one next to each other without leaving any gaps. I'll reapply some hot glue as my previous layer has dried out. Keep sticking the ice cream sticks till you reach the end of the basket. Now let's begin coloring. For this I am using Fevicryl acrylic brown color. Using some water, I'll start painting the sticks. Make sure that you color between the gaps too. Apply a generous coat of this color. Also, don't forget to color the top edges of the stick. Next, using the black color, we'll paint the back side and the bottom side of our basket. Make sure that you apply the color on all the edges of the basket. I am also coloring between the gaps. These colors dry very fast. As you can see, I have stuck a half piece of ice cream stick to cover a small gap that was there in the corner. I am going to paint this stick as well. As you can see, our color has completely dried. Now we'll make a wood grain effect on these sticks. For this, I'm going to use my permanent marker and make some random curvy lines and some circles on the stick. You need not be perfect in this, you can just make some random circles and lines on this. Now I am taking a kitchen napkin and I am going to keep folding it to make a small rectangular cushion. I'll trim this cushion a little bit so that it fits perfectly into the cavity of the basket. I'll apply some hot glue inside the cavity and I'll stick the cushion inside. To give this some more height, I'll apply some more glue and stick the leftover tissue. Next, I'll take my white cotton lace and I'm going to stick this around the basket. First, I'll cut this in the size of the basket. We need to apply the glue a little below the top edge and start sticking the lace. I'm going to press down the lace with the ice cream stick so that I don't burn my hands. Keep applying glue as you go along. Next, we'll stick the white pearls at the bottom of the basket. I'm also going to stick some pearls on both the edges of the basket. This really makes it look more pretty. Now let's stick some flowers inside the basket. I'm going to randomly pick colors and I'm not following any pattern. I'll begin sticking these paper roses one by one next to each other. As you can see, I'm not leaving any gap between them. Stick them really close to each other so that it gives a neat look. Next, we are also going to stick roses on the outer edge of the basket to give it a fuller look. Keep sticking the flowers till the very end of the basket. This is a leftover ice cream stick piece. I'm going to write a sentiment on this. I'm writing sweet home on that. Sorry, you may not be able to see it right now as my fingers are coming in between. But once I'm done writing, I will show it in the camera. I hope you can see it clear. We'll stick some double-sided foam tape on the back of this. Now to adhere this really strongly, I'm going to apply some hot glue and stick it down on the center of my basket. Next, we'll stick a circle magnet behind the back of this basket. And here are our cute little baskets. I had made one more basket off camera and now I am sticking a magnet behind that. Aren't these cute? If you like this video, please click the like button. Make sure that you also check out my playlist here to see more of my tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please click the bell icon to stay updated here. Thanks for watching.